Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to repair .NET framework on Windows 11 or 10. So just you have to search this address. Then here download this .NET framework repair tool. Open any browser and type here .NET repair tool. Then press enter. So you will see this official link from Microsoft.com. So click on it. So you can see this download option. So click on it. If you see this error, so keep it, and it's from official Microsoft company, so you don't need to worry. Double click on this setup file. It will ask some permissions, so click on yes. Follow the instruction. Next. Then finish. Then restart your system. So this way guys, you can repair .NET framework on Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.